Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another quick look video where we quickly look at various art books and magazines. And little Larry the Lion is with us again. He's helping us look at the 2015 ImagineFX magazines, and we're into August now. And the thing is, I've accidentally turned the cover over. Look, pop. So I know that we've got another female character. So that means every single issue, this was the last one last week, every single issue so far has had a female character on the cover, which is amazing. So that's all of them so far. My favourite cover is still this one, which was issue 118 for February 2015. But the thing is this one going to be the best one yet? And I know that this one is still my favourite. But again, this is just another really amazing cover. I'm not 100% sure on the face, but what I love is the connection between these two characters and the colours. Look at the colours, and look, she's dropping money. So they've obviously gone in somewhere, stolen a load of money, and now they're making their great escape. And everyone's out to try and get them, look. So this one is a cool cover, but I'm not sure on the face. There's something about that face that, I think it's the nose. I think the nose makes it a little bit sort of unpleasant for me or something. I'm not sure. Look, I'll tickle that tongue. So this one's still my favourite, but what's the inside of this one like? Little Larry's going to let us in. Doing. Inside we go. We've got a robot, and we've got Claire Kisses, our little editor. We do love Claire. We miss you, Claire, because in 2022 she's actually left. She's off doing something else now. We've got, look, he's cool. He's cool. She's nice. That's cool. We've got animals. And we've got this one here, which will be fun to see coming together. These are the videos from the Not DVD. Hey, look, we've got a James Gurney. Got a James Gurney video on there. Now, how mad is that? A dragon. I like the look, I said it before, blue and gold is just such a just a brilliant combination. It's got the perfect sort of feeling of fantasy for me, that has. Those colours. Crystal Sullivan. I'd look into that artist. That's cool as well. We've got, look, I like this. I like it, yeah, look. Sexy look, I like her nails. FX Pose is such a cool. I think they should just. Imagine if you had a magazine full of FX Pose bits. Very cool. I like that. That is cool. That is. Look, everyone else is locked up in their little houses, their little prison cells. This one, their home is their bird. They're free. That's cool as well. From illustration to animation. Look at him, look. Gonna go down the slide. Game of the Dead. Yay! Fred August's Artists Studio. Nice and clean. Yeah, there's like minimalism, but there's lots of stuff as well. Oh, there's a nice balance in this room. That's what I'm thinking. A very nice balance. I want to get another one of these for my. At the moment, my monitor is on my desk. like this, and it's sort of getting in the way. My Cintiq is up on the stand, so I can move it about there. I can move it right around like this. But I do want to get another one. I want to get one of those for the get more desk space. It's amazing how much desk space the monitor takes up, really, isn't it? Even like the thin ones. Letters. Solid Snake, look. Metal Gear. Meryl. We like Meryl. Got a little ogre. They're nice. That's Ilya Kuvshinov. Hey, that's Ilya. Look, Ilya Kuvshinov's doing the artist Q&A. How brilliant is that? Oh, cool. Imagine if Ilya Kuvshinov was your art teacher. That would be unbelievable, that would. Boing. Look, they got the same nose. They're brothers. Brothers from another mother. Pages of sketches. He's a wizard, he is. Did you know that? He's a wizard, Harry. Studio profile. He looks nice, doesn't he? Tickle his beard, look. I think he'd like that. Tickle his little beard. Oh yeah. Ah. I've always said it. Coloured pencil sketches are just so cool. I don't know what it is about them, but that's one of the covers. That's one of the covers from, I think it was 2011 or something. One of the ImagineFX covers. I don't know if it's the same artist or probably is. What an amazing bunch of sketches this is. Going into the workshops now. Look, in the sketching phase, that character looks a lot more fun, don't they? They're a lot more sort of likeable there, but for some reason I don't find it a very likeable character because of the face, which is a shame because everything else is like brilliant. It's that nose. I'm sure it's the nose. God, bleed now. Look at her there, look. He's even more sort of like a witch. He's cool, isn't he? Discover Animation's 12 Principles. Ooh! Look, he just farted there. Starting out in Critter. Paint soften. That's nice. Like the brush strokes. Look, massive. That's quite. See, I wouldn't like to live there, but that is brilliant. It's one of those worlds I'd like to visit, just to sort of experience it. But imagine living in a world like that. It'd be horrible. You can imagine how noisy it is as well. There must be so much noise in that world. Whereas this look peaceful. Like that. Next week's we've got fantasy illustration. Is it gonna? Do you reckon it'd be another female? That's gonna be quite crazy if it is. I like the colours going on here. Very nice blue that is. Now that's a cool character. The shapes. I would like to see them do a female character in that style. You can imagine it, they'd have like really big breasts, little legs. That'd be cool. See, I'd like to look into this artist. David Adhinarya Lojaya. See what else they've done. That's a nice image. A little reviews, look. We've got a camera. Pixel Meter, what's that? It looks like a poor man's Photoshop. That's a James Gurney. A James. Look, downloadable video. 40 minutes, $15. Harry Potter. Love it. Fantasy Illustrator. They put it on sketchbook paper. So cool. That's nice. That's nice as well. I like the they're all about connection, I think. These are cool as well. Joy Art Club. How fun is that, look, the Joy. Yeah, they do look happy, don't they? Create motion effects in ink. That's nice. Oh, that's really nice, that is. Go through it. What you've got to do is basically sit down, make sure you've got all of these, and then try to recreate it. I wonder if you could recreate it just by following this. Skeletons. And then we've got this one, David Coleman's elephant. I love that image, I think that's cool. And that's another one done. I hope you enjoyed that one as well. I thought it was nice, that one. My highlight is probably that actually, because it makes me want to try it. And this one here, I like the character. Next week we'll be looking at this one, which is the September 2015 one, Fantasy Illustration. So I hope you come back for that, and I hope you enjoyed this one as well, and I'll see you later for another one.